Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. This video is going to serve as an intro for probably a few of them coming up here. I'm out at the Paynes Prairie Preserve just outside of Gainesville, Florida, and I'm going to be doing some short videos of stuff that we see here and there. Some of them I'll talk through, some of them I won't. I have a whole gaggle of folks up here ahead of us. That's all mine, believe it or not. But yeah, I'll be following along behind and just, watching out and seeing what we see. So this is some of the real wilds of Florida. I mean, even though you just step right back off of this trail, I'm off the pavement, and for several thousand yards there's nothing out that way but wild. There are wild lakes and wild swamp and wild, and it is. So like I said, I'm going to be bringing up the tail end and taking videos of this and that, and throughout the day. It's already getting fairly late in the afternoon. Well, not really late in the afternoon. It's probably 2 o'clock or so. But we had a birthday party and yada yada yada. So this is a nature walk. And let's see. It says you are here, and up here is Gainesville, Florida. I live somewhere over there. This is about a 2-hour ride from my home. So we're not going to go on a long hike, but we'll go see what we can see. Just looking at some of this canopy, the age, some of these live oaks. Even though we're right here off the trail. This old man is a monster. They used this natural limestone outcropping to mount a brass plate for the Governor's Design Award given by Governor Bob Graham in 1984. Alright folks, what'd you think? I appreciate y'all taking your time to check out a little bit of what I'm doing. I may reuse this one over and over again, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I'm out here at Paynes Prairie, end of February. It's a gorgeous afternoon. I think maybe the sun might be blinding me out, but anyway, thank you all for stopping in. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Leave me a like, a share, leave me a comment. Until I see y'all again. Cilantro.